If the boss will say anything, they will not mind. But if a woman boss will say something, they have that ego, which I face so many years.
तो आपको प्रूव करना पड़ा अपने आप को to get that respect.
Definitely.
What was the inspiration that you decided I have to build my own brand?
मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. I want to really prove myself कि हम कुछ और भी बड़ा कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
60% of my products really goes well because the research is really very strong.
60% hit rate.
Yes,
on your
hit
new
rate,
products.
hit rate.
That's fantastic.
But it was not there before. AI will be definitely playing a very important role in future.
So once it will help you shorten the cycles from ideation to production.
Correct.
Second, you also think you will get more options created in the beginning with your research actually being more comprehensive probably. How do you come up with trends?
We don't believe in copying.
You're sitting in Jaipur and saying it, which is fascinating to hear.
Yes. Product itself is not enough to compete in this market.
If somebody has to build a brand today, how do they need to go about doing it? So here we are with another episode of Kali to Glory, and with me is another fascinating entrepreneur running this exciting trend-first women's ethnic wear brand, Juniper. Pooja, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
It's great to have you here, and I think it's also fantastic to see your office, how you've built this whole branded ecosystem for yourself out of Jaipur. So would love to know about your story, how you started, where this inspiration came from.
We are basically a garment exporter, and we used to produce for the other international brands. We produce for, you name the brands, we produce for them. Even the mango buyer, like with the team of complete designers and all, they come here. They make the range from our collection only. What we really make the sampling, from that they just select from our collection and they take to give their label on that.
So from being a supplier to the brands, you wanted to become a brand yourself and go directly to customer.
Exactly.
What was the inspiration that you decided I have to build my own brand?
मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था.
हाँ.
सेम मोनोटोनस काम करते करते आई वॉन्ट टू रियली प्रूव माई सेल्फ कि हम कुछ और भी बड़ा कर सकते हैं.
ओके. पर ये कुर्ता बनाना, ये आइडिया कैसे आया आपको?
बिकॉज आइडिया कैसे है, एंड ऑफ द डे मैं खुद ही कुर्ते पहनती थी.
अच्छा.
और मुझे बहुत बड़ा गैप लगता था कि यार अच्छे, जैसे आज अगर मैं ऑफिस में देखूं लड़कियों को, तो आज अगर टेलर, पहले वहाँ रेडीमेड कुर्ते कितने कम मिलते थे वो टाइम पे.
करेक्ट.
सब जैसे जनरली एसके या तो अनस्टिच लेके सिलवाओ. टेलर की कॉस्ट आप जाओ तो नो वन विल टेक लेस देन 800 रुपीज़, 1000 रुपीज़. अ वर्किंग वुमेन हु इज़ having a budget like a service of 20,000, that time 20,000 is the standard salary of a merchandiser and all.
Yes.
तो जब मैं उनको देखती थी, लाइक एक जनरल बैठ के बात होती है, तो एवरीबडी हैव ए चैलेंज कि मैम क्या करे, इतना जैसे मतलब टेलर कपड़ा लेकर आओ, सिलाओ, कोई भी कुर्ता हमारा 1500 से कम नहीं बैठता है, 1200 से कम नहीं बैठता है. तो ये एक माइंड में सेट था कि यार ऐसे कैसे कोई चीज़ बनाए जिसमें एवरीबडी विल can enjoy the fashion in affordable prices.
So one more related question comes, right? Especially in Jaipur, you would see generally most entrepreneurs, even when you started, would be males, right?
Right.
So as a female entrepreneur, क्या challenges आए आपको?
जयपुर बहुत ऑर्थोडॉक्स, आई कैन से. अगर आप जैसे मतलब इफ़ यू ओपनली से टू एनीवन, इट कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट, बट ट्रूली टेलिंग, जयपुर की जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वुमेन को लेकर इज़ नॉट वेरी लाइक एंकरेजिंग, आई कैन से. तो चैलेंज तो फॉर श्योर एवरी मोमेंट आता है. जैसे अगर फैक्ट्री में लो तो भी आता है, लाइक आई कैन नॉट रियली डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट टू द रिटेल दिस कारीगर एंड ऑल, फॉर श्योर. लाइक उनका थॉट अलग होता है अपने को. यू हैव टू मेक स्पेस दैट डेकोरम कि भाई we as a woman I cannot say anything.
Right.
And even with talking with the managers, I can say if the boss will say anything, they will not mind. But if a woman boss will say something, they have that ego, which I face so many years.
तो आपको प्रूव करना पड़ा अपने आप को to get that respect.
Definitely with everyone, I can say. I will not name it, but with everyone.
Got it.
It is there. आज जैसे जब मैंने शुरू भी किया था, या फिर व्हेन आई यूज टू हैंडल एक्सपोर्ट, very well. That time also एक मन में वो खुशी नहीं होती थी कि यार आई एम डूइंग समथिंग, बिकॉज वो रिकग्नाइजेशन नहीं होता था. तो ये भी एक रीज़न था कि मुझे कुछ अलग करना था, विच आई वॉन्ट टू रियली से कि अगर टैलेंट है तो आई विल प्रूव इट, एंड व्हेन यू प्रूव इट देन ओनली यू विल गेट अ रेस्पेक्ट. एंड ये 100% श्योर है कि अगर आप अगर कहीं भी प्रूव करके दिखाओगे ना, पीपल विल चेंज योर देयर एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स यू. तो उनके एटीट्यूड के लिए, पैसा कमाने के, बिलीव करिए मैंने ये ब्रांड पैसों के लिए नहीं किया. फ्रॉम डे वन मुझे कभी नहीं था कि मुझे कमाना है या मुझे अर्न करना है. बीइंग इन ए फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड, मैंने कभी फाइनेंस देखा ही नहीं ब्रांड में. मुझे सिर्फ प्रूव करना था कि अगर आपको रेस्पेक्ट चाहिए फ्रॉम एवरीवन, ज़ीरो टू द टॉप, देन आपको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि यस यू आर doing something which they cannot do it.
I think for a lot of women who would be watching this episode, these words would be giving them a lot of inspiration and hope also.
I hope so.
When we are talking about how you build this business, I think if you can also give a quick summary of how big is the business today, right? How much of it is offline, online, your own website versus marketplaces, just a flavor of, right, the structure of the business.
Right now I'm into 600 LFS.
Okay.
If you name it, like all major formats like Lifestyle, Shoppers Stop, Lulu Mall, and in marketplaces, all like definitely we are there into Snapdeal also. Myntra was the first one I have entered in 2013.
Okay.
And Amazon also entered in the same year.
Do you get to know how many cities your products go in today?
I think pin code wise we come to know, but I don't know the exact number right now.
How many pin codes? Any rough sense you have?
No, actually I don't know. Practically, I have to ask my team.
Yeah.
But if you want, I can just check it and 1500 and plus.
1500 plus pin codes. Okay.
Correct. 1500 plus pin codes.
Fantastic. So when it comes to the online fashion business, from your experience, what's the biggest thing that could destroy the profit?
Actually, returns, I can say, one part. If returns get controlled, it's actually becomes because margins definitely we consider we know this is the margin. But I can say if margin will be lesser, then the profitability can be managed more well because we cannot control returns anyways. It is either margin should be less or either return should be less. So if any one can get managed, I think it will become better.
And what is an acceptable return for online business?
Like 25 to 30% should always be acceptable.
Got it.
And more than that, if it is there, then we have portals. We really reach out to the portals that okay, if returns are high, we want some like margin consideration. They really help us also. Like even Snapdeal always support us for that.
Sure.
So
yeah. So now coming back to because you are a trend first brand, right? We'll deep dive a little bit on how do you uncover or unearth these trends? How do you come up with trends? You have a lot of trendy designs that I see, right? What's the magic sauce behind that or the process that you go behind doing that?
Right. We don't believe in copying.
You're sitting in Jaipur and saying it, which is fascinating to hear.
Yes. The best part is I never believe in copying. Even like I create trend, I can say. So in that way, we really research international portals like WGSN. Then from the WGSN, I have to go for a Lakme Fashion Weeks and all these fashion weeks. Then from there, I'll see the third step. I will see the larger designers of India, the bridal wear designers, what they are creating from that Lakme Fashion Week. Then checking on that, I'll come to a common platform that okay, now everybody is using these stripes, using this polka dot and using these colors. So now we got a common platform that okay, this is going to be a next fashion.
Okay.
From that we now our CAD designers, our designers, then CAD designers, the print designer, our computer designers, everybody will sit together and they start creating something new for the range. So
Okay.
like we try to give
So you
something
create
new.
your designs from scratch?
Zero, from the
Okay.
scratch. Every
Interesting.
print will be our own developed.
That's
print.
another very unique part about your
Yes,
brand.
yes. Every print will be individually designed by our own and register prints.
So a lot of hard work goes in. I can clearly understand that. I can see
Very
that.
much.
But of course, when you go to market, you get surprises.
We get disappointed. Yes.
So what is your typical success rate of your trends, percentage-wise?
Like, of course, 60% of my products really goes well because the research is really very strong and
60% hit rate.
yes,
on your new
hit rate,
products.
hit rate.
That's
And that-
fantastic.
Actually, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
But it was not there before.
Mm.
When I started, that was not there. Now, with the learning of data, with the learning of closely understanding the customers' pain points and all, we are learning every day.
Sure. So we were talking about designs, right? Give us a sense of how long does it take for you for a design to go from an ideation to actually a final conceptualized product?
Idea starts 1 year ago.
Okay.
Yeah, and idea just to understand what going to be in fashion for next year, it takes 2-3 months to understand because we take this year data also. It at least we need 3 months of sales data to understand what is selling this year.
Right.
Then we'll come to know what to produce, what kind of a silhouette will going to accepted this. At least failure of this year will not continue for the next year.
Sure.
So that we take care of it.
Sure.
And 3 months for the data and just market research, then 3 months for the development of prints, getting the print from the printing and all. Then we just take 1 month just to filter down what to buy.
Got
Then
it.
production take 4 months, so
Okay.
it's a cycle of 12 months.
Okay. So I think you produce so many designs through all your research, but before you actually decide to go in production, do you get any sort of customer feedback? And if yes, how?
For that, we call from all over India. We call our distributors,
Okay.
who is actually dealing with the end customer because they are the
Interesting.
shopkeepers. They are dealing day to day with the shopkeeper customer. So definitely they can give us more better feedback. So we call everyone here, we show them, we'll take their feedback and we shortlist accordingly.
कितना बड़ा होगा customer base आपका अभी?
Abhi, it's more than a crore.
More than a crore.
Yeah, it's more than
Wow.
1 crore customer data right now I have.
Amazing.
Yeah.
On top of that, just to go to my last segment, which is talking about the future,
Okay.
right? As you look at this business for the next 3 years, 5 years, do you see one or two things which could completely reshape how fashion business is done?
Right.
What would that be in your mind?
AI will be definitely playing a very important role in future
Okay.
because as you said before also people are asking for a fast fashion, why you cannot give it, because we are giving 3 months for the R&D research. So that AI is solving that. So I think
How do you use AI in your business today?
right now we are definitely trying our best. For all photo shoots we are using AI right now.
Okay.
We have stopped giving to photo shoot right now. All our campaign shoot, all our marketing tools,
Okay.
all our this post and all that everything we are doing on
Yeah.
AI.
Okay.
And very recently we have explored that Photoshop AI, which is for the designing.
So once it will help you shorten the cycles from
Correct.
ideation to
Correct.
production.
Correct.
Second, you also think you will get more options created in the beginning, with your research actually being more comprehensive, probably.
Right.
With the
Sometimes,
user-friendly.
we are really confused. What color will what color will look nice on this kind of a combination?
Fair.
That AI will help us instead of creating everything new, everything physically. It will be a lot of money creating a sample.
Fantastic. I think it's been great talking to you, Pooja, and I.
Thank you.
I've seen the journey of Juniper, heard from you personally today. It was fascinating. I think you are set to do bigger things out of Jaipur for India, for the world. That's all we have for today in our episode. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time with another one.